I was thinking about why what happened with the camels happened, and
of course, logically, the trick lies in this fraction sum. This fraction sum that even Excel, when we tell it to add here, to enter the range, the auto sum of these fractions, it tells us that it is a whole unit, but it is an approximate unit.
It is not an exact number.
And this is where it turns out that there are too many camels and the inheritance is not distributed in its totality. The unit is not distributed. It seems like Excel has made a mistake, but not. It is just a matter of that if we give this number a numerical format and add many decimals, we see that in effect the inheritance is not distributed in its entirety. And this is why the wise Berenice, besides solving the problem of the three brothers, is able to take a small and well-deserved gain.